Hello, hello. So guys, yes. Hello. So guys, you can listen my voice now. So guys, the problem is solved as you can see and you can listen the voice clearly now. I hope to. If you still not listening the voice, then you can write in the comment chat because I am reading it right now. Swords versus swords. Hi sir. I hope you are listening the voice now. So guys, I hope everyone is listening the voice now. So let's continue. So guys, if you want to ask like anything regarding this trade, how it work and what is like why I am not making it complicated, because if we can get the profit by just using the momentum lines of the oscillator here, these two lines as you can see on your screen, blue line and the yellow line, then why we need to use a lot of things or lot of indicators or lots of oscillators if it working. Amit Pandit, hello. I hope you are listening the voice well. I am thankful to you that you already mentioned the comment that the voice is not coming, but now it's working. Hopefully. So, okay, let's see, guys. From the starting, we can see, as you can see, this is the, as you can see in the, I hope it's zoom. You can zoom your screen and you can see here, like these all are profits of the yesterday stream, like 890 dirham, again 890 dirham, 910 dirham on the Asia Composite Index, and this was the biggest profitable trade of the 4095 dirham in just like 2 minute trades. And I make it the biggest trade because I was getting the loss two times here, 2000, and before this also 2000, but after that everything was recoverable. And the main thing is that guys, we always have to be recover our money first, then we have to think about to earn more. So let's continue from here. I'm investing again from the today like 1000 dirham, okay, with a 2 minute duration, guys. So I hope everyone is agree to make the trade now. Amit Pandit, yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Today, first trade will become the profitable or loss. Right now, you can see the blue line. This oscillator momentum line of the blue line is moving right now in the upward, okay? And this Japanese candlestick is also moving in the upward. Now it turned to the down, but it will go back again to the upward, and it looks like that, okay? So I will make in the upward now. Let's see. Here you can see our trade of the 2 minute duration, and I invested here 1000 dirham. With the 930 we are getting the profitable, and if we lost this amount then we will get a loss. So guys, let's wait for the 2 minute here, 1 minute 45 seconds here now, and then we will continue to make the another trade after getting this successful. If I make a loss here, then I will use the martingale strategy. I will just double this amount. 1000 multiplied 2 is 2000. Then I will add extra 200. So it will be like 2200. So let's see, this going to be profit or loss. Right now it is in the profitable, as you can see the green, it's profitable. But if this Japanese candlestick turn back to the downside, then it can gives the loss. But if it's still remain in the upward direction, then we can get easily profitable amount. So right now it's moving in the upward direction, as you can see little bit. Let me zoom. See guys, it's very closer to the trade line. Very closer to the trade line, only 50 seconds remaining. But here the Japanese candlestick turn back to the downside. So like 70% chances of the loss, 30% is in the profitable. But if this Japanese candlestick turn back in the upper side now if it's in the upward, then like 90% is profitable chances and 10% is loss chances. Well, it's coming to the downside, so let's wait for the next trade. Well, guys, this is going to be lost now because in the end time, like every Japanese candlesticks changed the direction in the last 10 seconds. It was moving, it was very closer to our trade line, but it suddenly fall back to the downside. So this is going to be lost. First trade is going to be lost. Let me change the amount of the 2200 for making the second trade. Now our question is that where we have to make this trade again in the upward direction or downward direction. So right now the situation is that it's moving to the downside. So let's wait a little bit. So guys, I make it downward because as you can see here, it was suddenly fall back to the downside. So we have to wait for the 2 minute while it's still moving in the upward, but also have the more chances to move in the downward. We always follow the direction of the momentum lines. If the momentum line is moving in the upward, then we can make the trade in the upward. If both are moving to the downside, then we can make down trade. But like it mostly perfectly workable with this Asia Composite Index, Europe Composite Index, and gold one. And you can see here like a percentage rate, 93 percentage rate, 93 percentage rate. Crypto composite have 91 percentage, commodity composite index 89 percentage, Europe composite index 91 percentage. So guys, why I am using the martingale strategy, I will give you this answer after when we will get this profitable amount. Guys, you can write in the comment chat this is going to be profitable or loss. Well, I will not give right now because right now it seems to everyone that this is going to be profitable. We have to wait just only 47 seconds. But now in the end time, it's trying to go back again in the upward. But it's also trying to move in the downward. So guys, let's wait here. Uh-huh. 22 seconds. So guys, look here, the second profitable trade is on the borderline. Like it can be loss and it can be profit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I think it's profitable. 3, 2, and 1. So guys, biggest profit of the today's stream, just only 2. One was loss and second is the profitable. Already recovered the loss. So guys, hurry up and join the live stream. So guys, I hope you understand. Now I will explain like why I use the martingale strategy. So those who are presently here watching the live stream, let me introduce you. I lost 1000 dirham, okay. Then I use the martingale strategy. And what is the meaning of the martingale strategy? It means that we have to just multiply the double amount of our trading amount which we are investing here. So guys, see here, I lost first trade 1000 dirham. Then I just use the martingale strategy, and what we have to do in the martingale strategy, like we can just multiply the amount which we lost for recovering and getting the extra profit. So I double the amount, 1000 multiplied 2 is 2000. So when I get 2000, already it can recover the 1000, but I need extra profit. So I did one thing, 1000 multiplied to 2000 plus I added 200 extra. So because like when we invest something, it can just like give a little bit less profitable amount. As you can see, I'm using the HA composite index right now, and it was giving like just only 93 percentage. So 7 percentage is was already deducted. It was already reduced. So when we invested like 2200, I invested, then I got the profit 2046 dirham, in which now you can see 1000 already recovered and 1046 dirham already profitable. And now this is going to be the third profitable trade in front of all of you with the amount of the 930 dirham. Now I can close this trade with the profitable rate of the 250 dirham, as you can see. Well, guys, look here, only 24 seconds remaining. So this is going to be the third profitable trade, and before this already profitable amount of the 2046 dirham, and here first trade was lost, but it already recovered here due to the martingale strategy. Now this is going to be the third profitable trade, as you can see, because the Japanese candlestick is very far from the trade line, and it's 3 2 1. So guys, hurry up and come back to the live stream. So it's going to be the second profitable trades with the highest success rate, as we can say, like we can see, okay, 67%. Amit Pandit, congratulations, bro. Thanks, bro. I hope you will also earn like this. So now it's moving like currently in the downward direction. So we can invest here again after the 12 seconds. So guys, now we can see like the trend was completely like perfectly and amazing. It was turning to the downside. Now we can make the another trade. As we can see, both lines are moving to the downside. So mostly chances that it will just following the downward direction. But we can wait a little bit, because here it looks like that it is trying to move in the upward direction. Short versus short. Nice, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Amit, bro. Thank you, shorts versus shorts. So now we can make the another trade, because we are already in the profitable 1000. I can invest here. Well, it's already turned back to very high position. If I make this trade here, then it will be looks cool, because we have the most time. Well, it coming to the down. Let's wait. 30 seconds remaining. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Amit Pandit, this month I will trade with you very soon, bro. Okay, bro, I will wait. And I will suggest one thing, like no need to invest like a huge amount, because you are like a beginner, so you can invest, you can start from very small amounts. No need to be make like a huge amount on just single first trade. Try to just use 10 percentage of your total income. Like if you deposit like 1000 rupees or 1000 dirham or any currency, dollars, then just you can use like 20, 50, 100. So it will gives you a lot of time to make a lot of trades. If you by chance if you get losses continuous 2, 3, 4 times, then even after that you have probability and you have eligibility to make the new trades. Otherwise, if you make just one time 1000 invested, then you are not eligible to make further trades, and it will give you very little bit stress, like, oh my god, I just lost in just first trade. So no need to be greedy, just start with the small amount. Well, we can see now a bearish candlestick, the reddish one is formed. Now it's again trying to move in the upward direction, but here the blue line is still moving to the downside. As you can see, this is moving to the down, but here Japanese candlestick is trying to move in the upward direction, because it's now trying to move. So let's wait a little bit. There is no need to make the trades every time, each second. No need to make. Just be relaxed. And when you see, like as I saw in the starting, it was moving perfectly to the downside, and I just make a down trade. And continuous we got two profitable trades and already recovered the loss. Well, this Japanese candlestick is moving very pretty well in the upward direction. Now we have like chances to make it downward, okay, after 52. So guys, let's see. This is also going to be profitable after the 2 minute, 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining. So let's see, it will move to the upward or it will come back again to the downward. And those who are watching, you can come again to the live stream on the Telegram channel. Today just only with the YouTube. Well guys, I think now it's going to be lost because the trend is suddenly market is moving to the upward direction. As we can see, the biggest Japanese candlesticks are forming in the upward direction. So we can make the another trade. Already we are in the profit. Guys, look, in the starting time when I was lost 1000 dirham, then I used the martingale strategy with the 2200 dirham. But I will not invest 2200 dirham here because there is no loss. I am already in the profitable. So I will just use only 1000 dirham again if I got this loss. So let's wait. The time frame is using, you have to remember this thing whenever you are using the time frame. This is the time frame in the bottom side, in the center of the bottom. I'm using here mostly time or always just only 1 minute. When 1 minute meaning is that this Japanese candlestick will finish after 1 minute. Muhammad Irsad, up only. Yes, you are right, I have to make up, but we can wait a little time, a little bit, some seconds, because it can further change to the downward. I'm also thinking to making the trade in the upward direction after a moment. But if you want to make right now, then I can invest here suddenly. Okay, let's invest. See guys, the main thing is that when sometimes it gives like profitable amount in just 1 minute or short trades like 15, 30, 20 seconds. But here we can see we have to wait for exactly profitable amount for the 2 minute. So guys, the the fourth trade was loss, but if this trade will going to be profitable, then it will be recover the previous loss. And now you can see the amount which is like we can close this trade at this loss only 90, 140, and now we can close this trade after getting like 10 or 20 in the profitable amount, as you can see here. Well, it's coming to the down, only 58 seconds remaining to get a profitable amount again, but it's turning back to the downside again. So guys, now it's very interesting. Yes, next will be also candlestick will be green. I think we can make the another, we can see guys, 100. We can close this close trade right now. Then we will get profitable amount of the 70 dirham with the refundable of the 1000 dirham which I invested here. Okay guys, so I'm making a next trade in the upward direction. I thought I click here. 10 seconds remaining now. So guys, this is 3, 2, 1. So this is like profitable. It recovered the previous loss. Again we came back on our high professional of the profitable duration. Now we have to wait the another trade which I am making for the 2 minute duration. As I read the comment of the Muhammad Irsad, he is also predicting the keys and he is saying like next candlestick will be green. Me too thinking like this. And yes, this is also in the profitable in the upward direction. But now we have to wait of the 1 minute 15 seconds. So guys, let's wait for the 1 minute and 15 seconds. Guys, I am not here like for making the profits. I am just here to showing you how the strategy work, how you can make profitable trades with very less losses. So if this is going to be like loss, then it's okay. Again, I will put the 1,000. If the second trade will also gives the loss, then I will invest here 2,200 by using the martingale strategy. Right now I don't need to use here 2,000 because already I am in the profit. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this was very closer. Right now see, this is trying to move in the upward, but it was very closer to move in the profitable direction. Well, we can invest here again in the upward direction. But now it changed the direction. A spinner candlestick of the bearish candlestick form in the upper direction. So now the chances are increased to forming the candlesticks in the downward direction. But I think we can make one trade again in the upward direction. So let's wait. If you understand how to recover the amount, then you will never get any losses. So guys, this will be continue like this. If I got the profit here, then it will recover the previous trade which I lost. So whenever you are getting like a huge amount or minimum amount in the profitable amount, then you don't need to make the another further trades. You have to just stop yourself for avoiding the losses. If you control on yourself, like I got in the starting 2045 dirham, then I got 930 profitable amount. So I have to just stop here. If you are instead of me, if you are sitting on my place, then you have to stop. You don't need to make like a huge amount or huge many trades. You can stop there when you are getting the profit. See guys, it was completely profitable from the last 2 minutes, but in the end it just suddenly fall back to the downside, and it can happen again after the 20 seconds. See guys, now it's turning to the down. Well, now only 15 seconds remaining. Well, guys, what do you think? Say? What do you want to say? Did you see? It was like neutral amount. No loss, no profit, just neutral. I just get my refund amount. And it's not pretty well because from the last 2 minutes it was moving very in the profitable direction. But suddenly it changed. Let's focus on the next trade. Well guys, here the Japanese candlesticks are forming very bigger in the sizes, as we can see here now. And guys, I already make the trade from the last like 40 minutes, so we are here with only 10 minutes, and after that I will finish this live stream. So you can stay here just for 10 minutes. See, really they are forming very bigger. 25 seconds, neutral profit. Here it keeps the loss. 40 seconds remaining, and now let's make the another trade in the. So guys, 25 seconds remaining and it is forming. Yes, no loss, no profit, win-win, so. But here this is going to be now loss because it changed the direction and now it's forming to the downside. If it's just for like 10 seconds, if it's move in the upward direction, then it can give this profitable amount, which was perfectly profitable from the last 1 minute and 50 seconds. So previous week didn't get anything, like just neutral amount. Now one loss. We came back again on the neutral amount. So let's see this is going to be profit or not. If this will become like a loss, then I will. Okay, wait. Now I think I have to use the martingale strategy. So I'm using again 2200 because I'm just double the amount of the 1000. 40 seconds remaining, and it's turning to the downside. 25 seconds remaining. Guys, only 8 minutes left. This live stream will be finished. We will see each other on the next live stream on the next day, because one enough is already done, is going to be finished after the 10 minutes exactly, I can say. Well, this is also loss. Okay, let's make another trade after the well guys, now it was moving firstly in the upward, then like straight. Now it's moving just only downward. Guys, if this profitable trade will become successful, then it will recover again the previous losses, these 2000, as you can see here. So let's wait. And I think if I got this profitable amount, then it will be my last trade for today's stream, because time will also finish and we already make a like more than 10 trades. Okay, let's count the trades, how many we make. Now the success rate is 38%. Okay, let's count. Wait. Today's tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, this is going to be the 10th trade. Already 9 we done, in which 3 biggest profitables and already recovered neutral amount. Now this is going to be profitable. Just only 1 minute left. Let's wait. Forty seconds remaining. What do you think, guys? It will come to the downside, or it will move to the upside, or it will just remain on the same position right now as it's here. Well, it changed the direction. Now it's moving to the upper side. As you can see here, now we are getting the profitable amount of the 44 dirham. Well, 20 seconds. Okay, let's wait, guys. 20 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, look here again. These 2000, as you can see, 1000, 2000. These 2000, and here it's the profit of the 2046 dirham. So you can count by yourself. It recovered this amount already. These two are recoverable here already. And plus I got the profit of the 46 dirham. Well, it's small, but it's better. Not losing anything. We are getting a small amount in the profit. This is the valuable thing. Only this thing matters, and we have to stop after making like profitable amount, because when we are going to be like making more trades just for like more money, then we have increased the chances to get the losses many times. So guys, as I told you, if I got this profitable trade, then I will stop here. So I think for today the live stream was perfectly. Amit Pandit, mind blowing live, bro. Thanks, bro. I really appreciate your comment that you are still here on the live stream from the last 1 hour. I hope you will join the next day, and we will see on the another time, on the next time we will get like this profitable amounts, or just we will get only losses. Because in the some streams, not like if I count, like if I did stream from last like 4 5 months, then I got losses like 20 30 percentage on the stream, but 70 80 percentage I got profitables and neutral amounts. So that's the matter. Or you can share the link with your friends, you can join with your friends, you can come back again here on the next day. We will share the link everywhere on the Telegram and YouTube. You can get the notification. If you like some videos, then just hit the like button, bell icon, so you can get the notification. Mostly time I just usually I do the stream on this time. So guys, see you soon again on the next live stream. After 3 4 minutes I will finish the live stream. And before going to be here, I will tell you why this is very uh, normal, very easy. So guys, you can see on the screen there is only like Japanese candlesticks. We can get these Japanese candlestick from here, chart types. In the bottom left side you can see here area chart, Japanese candlestick, Helkinesi bar. So the second number, Japanese candlestick, you can choose it, and then you will get this type of candlesticks. After that you have to choose the oscillator. So for oscillator, just click on the third number, technical analysis. Here you can see momentum. Okay, if you want to add more tools, then just click on the more tool, and you will see indicators, SMA, EMA, parabolic, ICR, Bollinger Bands, isometric, cloud, alligator, zigzag, WMA, lots of indicators. Here I am using the oscillator only. As you can see, list of the oscillators: MACD, RA, stochastic, Demaker, Arun, BS power, Bulls power, horsepower, rate of change. And when you will scroll it down, then you will see here momentum. So click on the momentum, you will get two types of these momentums here, oscillators. So guys, uh, when you will click here, just set these period numbers. Period 1, 14 number of this blue line. You can choose color by your choice, as you can see here. And period 2 by this yellow. So it has like 14 numbers. Period 2 has the 9 numbers, and you can see the higher number will increase the speed of the oscillator momentum line. Like it has the 14 number highest. So this blue line is always changed, like every second it changes up, down, straight, anywhere, whenever it want to go. But this period 2 have the less number of the yellow line. So this yellow line, as you can see, it moves mostly time like straight, like very slowly it changes after some minutes. So if you focus, if you notice the live stream, you can see the trend is now just moving to the downside. So here you can make like for 2 minute duration of the trade and 3 minute duration for the trade. So guys, see you soon on the next live stream. I hope you really enjoy and you really like the video. So it's time to finish the live stream. Whenever you start the trade, just invest very small amount. One thing, I use this momentum lines because these lines indicate the direction of this Japanese candlestick. If the blue line is moving down, as you can see here now, the blue line is trying to move downside, then the candlestick also moving down. If the blue line will move upward, then it will also, candlestick will also move in the upward. That's why I am using this, because they have perfect combination. So guys, see you on the next live stream. For today it's enough. Enjoy, make trades, have a good day to everyone.